Hello. I'm working on this Craftsman 13-inch planer, and I wanted to just share what I've had to do here with this thing. The problem was it wouldn't, the thickness level wouldn't change, and so it was really locked up. So I ended up just taking out the steel rails and just sanding them down and wire brushing them really good. And it was so hard to get these out. They wouldn't fit through the holes in the carrier with the blade. So I got them greased up and wire brushed down real good. So now it's got pretty good play. And of course you got to put the springs and the brakes on before you put the shaft back in, but I just want to demonstrate. The shafts for the locks, they have a flat spot, so all you have to do is line up the flat spot in here with that, but of course it's got to be the way around with the spring. So anyway, that's what I'm doing for this brake. Again, it's a Craftsman 13-inch, so I think it's going to be okay now. I've got the carrier up and down several times now. Once I got these shafts all straightened out, smooth. So that's about it. Yes, I'm back here on the 13-inch planer, Craftsman. I wanted to just also say that I did take sandpaper and run through the assembly here, the cast part, get it all cleaned out real nice. And so, then each time I did, also had to take a half round file, about a half an inch, half round file, and I actually did file these out too, because I wanted this to run real smooth. So each time after I did, of course I cleaned it out and oiled it, and now it seems to crank pretty nicely. Just one hand, there's no problem. Alright, okay. And that's about it for this. Gotta put the top back on, and we got all the cams back in. And I did have to take the cams out, and this one especially had to wire brush it down real good and oil it so it would move freely. And the brake doesn't move the shafts as much as I like, but I mean, this thing with the 4 shafts, it's pretty stiff as it is, so I think we're pretty good. Thank you.